scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this average rate of change question look intimidating, but you can solve them in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps. First, find the average rate of change over the interval 4 to 16 by calculating the slope of the secant line connecting the function values at these 2 specific endpoints. Next, determine the instantaneous rate of change by finding the derivative of the function. This gives us the slope of the tangent line at any point x, so let's go. Finally, set the derivative equal to the average rate we found earlier. Solve the resulting equation for x to identify the point where the rates are equal. Boom, 8. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sophie. Don't misread the interval, just use the secant slope and the derivative to win today.